Hi, I'm Emily and I am here with Maya Murphy's attorney, Lauren MacDonald. Attorney MacDonald practices at Maya Murphy's Westport, Connecticut office and is admitted to practice law in both Connecticut and New York. My question today for Attorney MacDonald is, when can a school disclose information regarding your child's educational records?
Generally, schools cannot disclose information about the student from the educational records to a third party without signed and written consent from the parent or the eligible student. The signed and dated written consent may include a signature in electronic form, provided it identifies the person giving the electronic consent and indicates his or her approval of the information contained within the consent. The written consent must specify: 1, which records are to be disclosed. 2, the written consent must state the reason for the disclosure. And 3, it must identify the individual or organization to which the disclosure is being made. The school is obligated upon request to provide parents or eligible students with copies of the records that are to be disclosed. While the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, otherwise known as FERPA, provides extensive confidentiality protections for parents and students with respect to their educational records, there are several exceptions permitting the school to disclose the records without prior consent. For example, the school can disclose information to school officials having a legitimate educational interest in reviewing the record. School officials having such educational interest include teachers and school employees that work directly with the student, as well as attorneys for the school district. The right to disclosure may also extend to outside consultants, contractors, volunteers, and other parties that have contracted with the school, provided they, 1, perform a service for which the school would otherwise use employees, 2, are under the direct control of the school in the use and review of the records, and 2, will not disclose the information to an unauthorized party. Regardless of the source of the request, the school must take appropriate measures to ensure that these parties review only the records in which they have a legitimate educational interest. If you have any questions about whether a school can disclose your child's educational records, please feel free to give me a call.
Attorney MacDonald is available 24/7 and can be reached by calling 203-221-3100. You can also email Attorney MacDonald at lmacdonald@mayalaw.com, and please visit mayalaw.com for more information.